There are a number of reasons why it can be difficult to find parts for older cars, including supply chain issues. COVID-related restrictions and a shortage of semiconductor chips have affected the availability of auto parts. Discontinued brands. Manufacturers often stop making replacement parts for vehicles that are out of warranty. Less popular models. These are the vehicles that don't always get the spotlight. Owners of vehicles made by discontinued brands may find themselves facing a unique challenge. You see, they might have a limited supply of replacement parts. Car is no longer in production. Automakers usually produce parts for a car for about 8 to 10 years after they stop making it. Increased demand. As people have returned to work and resumed their normal activities, the demand for vehicles has increased, putting pressure on the supply of auto parts. Factory shutdowns and labor shortages. These have added to the challenges of the car parts shortage. At Knox Horizon Complete Auto Care, we take pride in helping keep your car in proper working order. Please visit us on the web at knoxhorizon.com or give us a call at 219-6999. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and leave a comment. If not already subscribed, I encourage you to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to be notified when we upload a new video or go live. Thanks for watching.